What's up, guys? This is Exodus Gamer here again with 2 more box openings of Galaxy Tides. Last time I had a really nice pull. Sorry, just want to see if I can do it again. Let's get in. And as always, we got the nice 2 promo cards that was shown in the last video. Which this one's upside down for some reason. There we go. Now let's go into the box. There are 12 packs. Which I want to do a ratio count because of... Well, I want to do a count because of last time. My friend just got a box and it had 13 instead of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now, I'm hoping to get a second Alana because that's what I can really use. So we'll start opening packs up. And here we go. Nice. I like the artwork of that card. It looks pretty awesome. Looks pretty cool. And ooh, my Green with Evil candle. So, the card is called, let's see here, Everdrift Island. I don't know, the candle reminds me of the Power Rangers Green with Evil for some odd reason. But that looks pretty cool. Each common creature in play gains 1 energy. I'll use my strength. You guys go again. Kind of resembles X-Men, kind of. I think of the Angel from X-Men for some reason. And ooh, and we got Bridge Bastion Dragon. When this creature attacks, send the top card of your opponent's graveyard to the main deck. Oh, I like it. It's pretty decent in my opinion. At times, if your opponent's getting dead draws or something, it's really nice. Like I said, the main thing I'm hoping for is a second Alana. So we'll see. More cards. Ooh. Haven't seen her before. Dawn Dust Paladin. That looks pretty cool. Ooh. I got one nice because of I had her last time. I'm pretty sure I didn't get the hollow version of her. But she looks pretty cool, you know. And her name is Ariel. Welder of Shards. I don't know, I think I like the artwork of that. It's really nice. There we go. Ooh, I see something nice in the back. Ooh, let's see. That's very nice as well. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name. You guys can look at this one. I like the artwork of that. It's pretty much an angel with a piano. I actually really love that. Okay, and here we go. Damn. something else in the back. It is. Damn. So we're just going to call her Songsmith. So that's the bottom of her name. But it looks pretty nice as well. Get these out of the way for you guys. I'll go through all the cards all the decent pulls I got. And nice. We got nice. Okay. The main thing I am looking for is Lana. Also, can't remember the name, that the dragon that deals that attacks directly if there's a monster card on top. If there's a symmetry card, it will the damage will go back at you. That's the main one I'm looking for. And we got getting some really good pulls here. Shores of the Starry Blockade. Poison Ivy. Looks like Poison Ivy anyway. Forest of Crags. Pay, it's I actually remember this card I have in my deck. Pay 1 energy. I think it's look through your main deck and select 1 card, shuffle down top of the deck. It's pretty nice. Not sure, like, the reason why I haven't done any deck videos yet is that I had 2 booster boxes and I got both of the structures. And with the 2 booster boxes, like, I had a nice deck, but I wouldn't say I had the best deck. And we got Battleship Polaris or Protis or something like that. I got one of these before. I really haven't found a use for it yet in my deck anyway. The idea deck that I want to build is Cannon Angels, which hopefully soon enough I'll be able to build Cannon Angels, no problem. Sable Tree Man. And, ooh. I don't know, this card, I had one before. Its effect is when it's on field, it can't be targeted by symmetry cards. It works at times. It's not bad. It's just something when I say there's so many other good cards I could put into my deck. Got the last 2 packs of this set. Ooh, that looks pretty nice. And this card is Millstorm. Switch your main deck with your graveyard. Flip over your main deck, and it becomes your graveyard. I don't know. That is good in certain situations, I think. There we go. And this one I remember before, it's when this creature on field, I think each common dragon gains one? Yep, each common dragon or angel that attacks a rare creature gains 1 energy just before the attack hits. Only one Drangle? Only one Drangle ability can be activated on field. Okay. We still didn't get the Ilana yet. It's time to go into the second box. And ooh. Box toppers again. Actually, a different box topper. She's the same, but this one's different. That's nice. Let me just do a pack count because I'm kind of curious why he got 13 packs. But so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on, Ilana. Ooh. Not what we're looking for, but still, it's fine. We got a lot more packs to open up still. Okay, this, I believe the effect is discard 1 energy card. No, it's discard 1 creature or symmetry card from your hand and draw 1 energy. Maybe my deck drawing energy is what I want to draw, so. Yes! I actually needed another one of him to complete my Cannon Angel deck, so that's pretty nice. And he is Embryo, Bridgener of Infernos. When this creature is summoned, your opponent chooses and discards 1 card from their hand to the graveyard. I actually could use that. Let's see what I can do again. That's actually weird. It's weird. Some of the cards are like, I don't know. Got her. I really like her. So now we're starting to get doubles. Me and my friend Mike actually been buying cards and stuff to see what we can get. And we got Symphony Songsmith. Violin. Looks like you can kind of make like a symphony deck. The other deck that really interests me right now, besides Cannon Angels, is the cards came flying out, but is the Order deck that I want to try to build. Order looks fun. Okay, same thing as before. Come on, gotta be able to pull out. It's weird. My very first box opening, I was able to pull Lana very easy, and now it's like. Search one card. I believe search one card is dimensional or dust in the name. I believe, yep. Search your graveyard for one card with dimensional or dust in its name and add it to your hand. And I believe this is the dragon that, let's see here. When this creature attacks, remove the top card of your main deck, and if it's a creature, it attacks your opponent's life points directly. If it's a symmetry, it attacks your life points directly. This is what I needed. He is called Ephraim Auto Rose. Sorry, the names are pretty bad. I'll go for the names later, but that's the one of the dragons that I needed for Cannon Angels. So I actually need 2 of them, but the deck is coming along good. Hopefully now I'm able to win up my deck and kick Mike's ass. Sorry, Mike. This is new card. Let's see. There it is. I'll read your name and the effect in a minute for you guys. That looks pretty cool. It's flowers. Flower power! Blossom of Veil. If you have less life points than your opponent and don't have any creatures on your field, summon one uncommon creature from your graveyard with 2 energy on it. That's actually pretty nice. That looks right. And we got Crystal Bell. Each player draws 1 card from their main deck for each Shard Folk in play. Shard Folk, okay. Only 4 packs left. Please be Alana. We need Alana. Where are you, Alana? There we go. We got. Looks pretty decent. I always love like looking at all the artwork on these things. They're pretty nice. Lana, come out. We need you. If not, I'm going to be buying a lot more packs just to get Lana. Energy again. Hollow energy. That'd be nice to have like all hollow energy. Holy crap. Don't know if you guys just seen that. But the cards came flying out. They actually flied out into my existing pile of cards, so. It's hiding somewheres. Let me try to find it real quick. That actually sucked, but it was kind of like awesome as well. The thing was, I gotta find the card. So. Oh, wait, here it is. Sorry about that. I don't know what was actually in the pack. But it was Beacons of Worlds that I had to find. The pack just like exploded, you know, everywhere. Holy shit! Usually I put them on bottom, but I wanted to show you. Got another Lana. That was pretty nice. It was all the way at the end, Alana. I'm glad I got the other Alana. Now my Cannon Angels is becoming more completed. Looks like I got one before Mike. Yes. I'm going to be doing other videos. Hopefully, within, I want to say by Sunday or Monday, the next video will be up. Because of Jake and Lexi was nice enough. I'm actually a representative for the game now. So I'm going to be showing you what they sent me. And there's some pretty cool stuff there. Well, talk to you guys later. Can't believe we got the Alana. And have a great night, guys. More videos on its way soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.